Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make nachos dip at home with mayonnaise. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need about 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise, 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese, and a 1/4 cup of finely diced jalapenos for a little kick. Don't forget a teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder to enhance the flavor. This easy method ensures a creamy, delicious dip in under 10 minutes, perfect for any snack time. Now, let's get mixing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine your 1 cup of mayonnaise with the 1 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. It's helpful if your mayonnaise is at room temperature, as this makes it much easier to blend smoothly with the cheese. Use a spatula or a sturdy spoon to mix these two main ingredients together until they are well incorporated and you have a creamy, consistent base. This step is crucial for achieving that perfect dip texture. Next, it's time to add those wonderful flavors. Carefully fold in your 1/4 cup of diced jalapenos. If you prefer less heat, you can reduce this amount or remove the seeds. Then, sprinkle in 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1/2 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix everything thoroughly until all the spices and jalapenos are evenly distributed throughout the creamy base. Give it a quick taste test and adjust any seasonings as needed to make it perfectly yours. Your delicious homemade nacho dip is now ready to enjoy. Transfer it to a serving bowl and pair it with your favorite tortilla chips, fresh vegetable sticks, or even crackers. For an extra touch, you can garnish it with some fresh chopped cilantro or a sprinkle of paprika. This dip is best served fresh, but any leftovers can be stored in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 3 days. Remember to check the description for a link to a great book about money and other deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.